Hi friends, let me show you my iPad Pro workstation, okay? I have the iPad, the Magic Keyboard and my Apple Pencil. Okay, let me show you first. This is my iPad. It is an A2377 model number, so it is an iPad Pro 11 inches. It's a third generation from 2021, okay? It has a 256 gigabytes of memory and, well, my coverage is expired, so maybe I need to buy coverage again. Okay, well, this is my iPad. This is my Apple Pencil. The iPad itself, it's a really nice unit. It's really slim, it's not heavy, and it has a lot of applications that you can use in it, okay? I use it for a lot of things. I like applications like this one to take notes. I'm using my pencil, of course. As you can see, this is to erase. You can do a lot of things as if you were writing on a regular pad, okay? I like it also because every day you can use more and more applications on it, and you can organize them on application groups like this. You can, of course, change the back, okay? You see, I changed it to a plain black background. I like that better. You can use widgets like these ones to have different things here, like a pictures widget, weather widget, calendar, whatever you want. It has a two-camera picture system that gives you a great quality. You can do video, pictures, slow motion, time lapse, all the kind of video applications that you can do with almost with your iPhone. Portrait, square, panoramic, whichever kind of picture you want. Also, of course, here we are in the front camera. That's the back camera. You can have a flashlight or not. So you have a full camera in your iPad, okay? So the pencil will magnetically connect there and it will be charging there. If you connect it, it will be charging. So it charges itself, you don't have to worry about it, okay? And the iPad has these three magnetic connection buttons there that will connect automatically to the Magic Keyboard, okay? Let me show you. That's it. It's there. This Magic Keyboard is great. First, when you close it, it's like a notebook. The pencil still gets there, so you can still use it like that. Then, when you open it, it's like a regular keyboard. So you can write like you will do with a regular keyboard. So it gives you a great, a lot of useful functions. It also has this trackpad that you can use as the pencil or as a mouse. So I think that's really nice because you can help you can work and use this kind of mouse with which you can do everything. You can erase. So this keyboard is great for all the applications, okay? So, well, you can write, you can erase, okay? And depending on the application you are using, you will be able to use the keyboard in different ways, okay? So this converts the iPad to almost like a laptop computer. That's what I like the most of it, okay? So if you work a lot on the road, if you travel a lot, the iPad has a great battery, it lasts for a long time. You charge it with a regular USB-C cable here. You have the volume keys here and the USB-C port here. So this is a great accessory, a great workstation for all your needs on the go, to make presentations, to film, to take pictures, whatever you want. The iPad Pro is the machine to have. Thank you.